This is such a simple and good recipe, and I'd love to share it with you. All you need is a bar of cream cheese, some cottage cheese, some whipped topping, a box of Jello. Any flavor will work, but I really love the lemon and the strawberry for this type of pie. And also a pie crust. You can make your own or buy them pre-made. So the first step is to take your 2/3 cup of water, put it in the microwave and bring it to a boil. And then we're going to dissolve the Jello right in that boiling water. Give it a good stir, let it set for a minute and make sure everything is nice and dissolved. Now this pie is so easy to make. Everything is going to be mixed together in the blender. So in the blender I'm going to be adding the cottage cheese, the cream cheese that's been sitting at room temperature, and the Jello mix. So I'm putting all this in the food processor, then we're going to whirl it until everything is combined. Now I will leave the complete recipe at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end for all of the ingredients and measurements. So into the blender I'm pouring in that Jello, and it's the cream cheese and the cottage cheese, and we're just going to let it whirl and mix together. And then we're going to pour it in a bowl and add in the Cool Whip. Right now I'm going to measure out 2 cups of the Cool Whip topping, and I'm going to fold this into the mixture. Then we're going to pour it right into our graham cracker crust, and it does need to refrigerate for about 4 hours, and then it will get slightly hardened and it will be delicious. Now we love the lemon, but the grandkids all love the strawberry. But you could use any kind of flavor Jello. The lemon and
Strawberry.
Which is your favorite?
Strawberry.
Good job. You love it?
I do.
You like it?